Alright, so if you want to install WordPress on from your cPanel, you click on install button, then you choose the domain you wanna install. Make sure it's HTTPS, HTTPS, then you choose the domain from the domain section. I actually create a subdomain which is called I use tutorial. So that section is for a subdirectory. For example, let's say my website is icitify.us slash about. That slash about is the subdirectory. You understand what I mean? So that is that about that. So we don't need a subdirectory, but if you wanna use it, you can make use of it. Then the business name you want to use, maybe it's the let's just use tutorial or price tutorial. You know, that's what we are trying doing. So what type of business it is? Let's say tutorial. I think, yeah. Let's call it just online class. Yeah, so the admin name, you can choose the name you want to be using. So I actually almost make use of admin almost every time, but you can make use of something you want. The password should be something very strong. So this section, you actually don't need your whole thing, but you need a login attempt. A login attempt session, you need it to prevent yourself from being hacked and cache clearer. You understand what I mean? I will actually teach you the what the cache clearer actually means. So let's wait till our WordPress is totally done installing. You understand? So after the installation, there will be two links. Which one is for the website, and the second one is for the login dashboard. So this is a default page for WordPress. You understand? This is a default page. So here is our dashboard. So on if you want to learn the that is for security, and if you want to learn about WordPress, you can inbox for the full tutorial and the full guide on how you can work on WordPress and get clients as well. So these are the former default themes that come with the WordPress, so we have to delete them since we don't need them. You understand? So then the second one. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna be using WoodMart for the tutorial, so you all can understand. I actually make use of it because it's super easy and it's suitable. Understand? So it's simple and sweet. So yeah, there is a problem that always happens sometime when you're trying to install a WordPress theme. Sometime, let's check it out. It always happens when I use this WoodMart, but I have the code and I'm gonna be sending the code to you. Anyone, you just comment the code, then I'll paste it to your inbox. You understand what I mean? So you can wait till this will finish, because my hostess complaint actually have a limit for a file you can upload, but you can correct that from your HTTPS file. So I will show you. You see, from this side we're gonna get the same error. You understand what I mean? So let's wait. Yeah, you can see we have the same error. Like see the file upload level. So here is a code that actually makes it off. So for you to do that, navigate to your file manager from your cPanel. For navigate to your file manager. From your file manager, you locate your domain file, which is the tutorial. Yeah. So you can make use of that. There is a lot you can still learn from this side of it, but I'm gonna be teaching you later. So you have to stay tuned and watch some of my current videos. So let's edit the HTTPS file. So yeah, if you want to paste the link of the HTTPS file that I'm gonna put it on the comment section. You have to find where there is WordPress. Begin WordPress and the end WordPress. So you can make use of that. So press enter. Then I have the code on my clipboard already. So you can just paste it there. So after you done that, you can just save it up. So if you want me to tell you what each of those things are all about, you can inbox. I will give you a full tutorial on what each of those things are. So you can just close the tab and you try again. some of those file managers have each of their section. What those numbers are used for. So I'm gonna be giving you the if you inbox, I'm gonna give you some clear or a full guide on what those things are all about. So now let's try and install. You can see it's installed and then activate the plug, activate the team, brother. So sorry. So you activate the team. I have a Telegram channel where you can install a premium version of them, of Teams without even paying for that. So inbox, I'll send the Telegram link. So let's install the team right now. So I'm gonna install the child of the plug of the team, rather. Sorry. So I'm using Elementor, and if you want Elementor Pro, I can give you the Elementor Pro version. So there is a new update of the Elementor. I'm gonna give you the tutorial tomorrow. You will see the tutorial by tomorrow morning. So you click on next. So here we have different kind of templates for each different kind of business, but I think there is limited. We don't have a lot of them. They don't have a lot of them, you understand, but these are pre-built websites that easy for you as a website designer to make use of, you understand what I mean? So I'm gonna be using a bike template. So those are just a pre-built website. And they are very sweet, responsible and responsive, sorry, and very chilling, you understand? So let's wait for this thing to get done. And after this, we are totally done. But there is a issue I actually used to have with WooCommerce, because, you know, my hosting server have a limited, like I said, those, you can see the error message. So my hosting server have a limited version whereby they allow you, I think they use 1000 VAR, but their team required 3000 or 2000, sorry. So I have the code that I used to correct that. And then if you want me to tell you how those code work, I can actually give you a full tutorial about HTSS. Because working on WordPress without knowing HTSS is it's a big deal, seriously. So let's just save it and try again. And this time it's gonna work because that is the only solution. Then after that, we're still gonna get another error, which is WooCommerce error. So this time around, I actually make use of these plugins or this team so that we can get a lot of issues, so that we understand a lot of things on how to solve different kind of problem, you understand? So I actually make use of this to let you understand. Good. Now, our website is done and perfectly okay. Now this is another error which I told you about the WooCommerce. So the next thing is just go to your WooCommerce and delete the WooCommerce. Then you install the WooCommerce directly from your plugins section or your WordPress to work. But from the themes, I think the one that comes with the theme is corrupt. So just delete it and you reload your website and you will find it okay then. That is all. So thank you for watching, and if in case you need a full tutorial of WordPress, or you need the guidance, or you need how to make money from your skills, you don't just want to be online for nothing, you can just inbox. I'm gonna give you a full tutorial. You can see how WordPress is done already. So just edit, and it's easy, seriously. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.